I love to read and analyze existing urban fabric, moving through the spaces I live in and pass by every day. I often imagine how they could be shaped more meaningfully, and that truly excites me. Hi, my name is Priyabhushan, and I am working as Associate Urban Designer at Oasis Designing. I was born and raised in a small town. As a part of joint family, I spent much of my growing years with my grandmother and loved helping her creating home accessories out of old materials. I saw how she imagined an idea, curated it with precision, and also used only the available resources. This came naturally to me as well. In school, I often received appreciation for my craft work, drawings, paintings. Perhaps that same passion eventually led me to architecture. My college commute involved traveling daily from my village to the urban world. This journey became something I truly enjoyed, savoring the unique contrast between the calmness of the village and the energy and dynamics of the city. Watching the sunset from the bus window while thinking about solution of my design problem were the high points every day. Curiosity to explore what lies beyond always pushed me forward. For my thesis, I chose to study my village area, where I wanted to understand how the upcoming largest international airport of Asia would impact the small villages around it. Where Professor Sovan K. Saha made me understand the high job opportunities in a land not just impact the economic condition of the surrounding area, but it may also trigger adverse cycle of gentrification. To respond, I proposed a vocational training center in my village to strengthen that supply within the community. While designing it with Professor Silpi Sinha, I understood the further nuances of urban design, the process of prioritizing design in relation to people and the environment captured my attention and inspired me to step beyond the threshold of architecture. This led me to pursue a master's in urban design at CEPT University. CEPT was not just an institute, it was an emotion. It gave me an immense learning and memories for life. The time I spent in design studios provided me a broad and multi-dimensional perspective on the city development and design. Living in Ahmedabad, I missed my hometown. I realized the value of closely knit neighborhood, where small retail spaces emerges as per users' demand, all within a walkable distance. In contrast, our new cities are vehicle-oriented, but I personally value compact scale and walkable development. At Oasis Design Insane, I got the chance to work on real projects and understand them on the ground. Projects related to transit-oriented development, multimodal integration, and streetscape, and the city-level public realm design in cities like Dehradun, Noida, Patna, and Nagpur, and many more. What excites me the most? The way landscape interact with the urban design and architecture. This fusion make every project dynamic and engaging. One of the most significant is the Nehru Place metro station. It was a landmark site at a prime location with full of potential. The idea was to reclaim a parking lot and transform it into a vibrant public square. The design provides spillover spaces where metro users could rest, interact, and become the part of the crowd during the events. The plaza was seamlessly integrated with new commercial edges, transforming it into a privately owned public space that was both functional and inviting. Through these projects, I experienced the complete process from concept to implementation, teams and solving challenges in real time. And this journey strengthened my confidence and broadened my understanding of the social and economical impact of the development. At Oasis, every day is different. One day I might be working quietly at my desk, visualizing ideas for the city. Another day it could be a client meeting or at a conference to represent our work. Exchanging thoughts with colleagues every day brings a new challenge, and in every project, I strive to analyze the problem at a larger scale while carefully crafting spaces where emotions are rooted in culture and community. As I continue this journey, I carry with me the vision of making spaces not just efficient and sustainable but deeply human.